Hey guys, it's official. Adrian Morrison is mad on me, and I don't know why. Why is mad? I left one comment in one of his ads, and he get mad about my comment, and I show you in a second. But I don't understand why. Adrian, why do you mad on me? What for one comment? Oh come on, you only kids get mad on a comment. So who is Adrian Morrison? It's is this guy's right here. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it's this guy like here. You can type on Instagram Adrian Morrison, you'll find him. And he basically it's all in this space, Shopify dropshipping. Like we promote a lot this business model, and he was launching an ad, which is this one right here, and I left a comment on this ad. First I want to show you the ad, so I don't know if it's still running. He cut it off, maybe, whatever, but it's this one.
What's up? Adrian Morrison here, and if you're watching this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about what I've done with Shopify. And actually, you know what, I want to ask you a question. How would you...
So he want to talk a little bit what he done with Shopify, but he didn't say nothing, and he want to ask us a question before he telling us what he did with Shopify.
I feel like for me and my team of proven experts to build your Shopify store for you, or even build it with you so that it's done right. I've been certified directly by Shopify and endorsed as one of the only people in the world that is actually certified to teach people.
Okay, he's the only teacher in the world that can teach us Shopify, and this is the Shopify Help Center, and this is the Shopify Education Partner. And you see approved courses. So from Brazil, I don't know who those guys is. Danish, I don't know. So basically, kind of everyone in their language, they have some kind of guru like Adrian, and they teach Shopify dropshipping. And in English, Anthony Crowley. So is that guy? If you don't know, hey, we don't dropship from China. We dropship from stuff like that. I'm sure you see his ads. It's one of their approval educators. So Adrian, you're not the only one. So are those guys here? I'm not gonna stay here to show you who they are. They have in every language, but yeah, it's what is it? Adrian Morrison. Yeah, it's here. Adrian Morrison. You are not even in the first place, so you are in the third place. So you're not the only one. Okay. Here.
How to use Shopify and do drop shipping. And if you click on this video here, it'll take you to a page where you can watch about a 20-minute presentation, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do what I do. I'm going to show you some of the products that I sell, the real profit margins of those products, and I'm going to talk to you about how we can help you build your own Shopify store, and you can leverage my team, my resources, and my experience. At the end of that video, you can book a one-on-one strategy session with one of my e-com all-stars, and we'll help custom tailor a plan for you. It's a completely free call, valued at $500, but you can only book that free call if you click on this video, you watch the full training, which is about 20 minutes on the next page. There's nothing for sale.
Do you see how he emphasizes watch the full training? Because obviously they have tactics. So if you're gonna watch the full training, they have those metrics that show you how many people watch 10%, how many people watch 20%, how many people watch whatever 50 to 100%. So, and automatically now this is called Facebook Pixel, that does pixel tracking you. He have installed the Facebook pixel and the page, in the landing page, so he tracks you and he know exactly who to retarget. Because if you watch the full video and you didn't do nothing, for example, you didn't roll up in their course or wherever, you just click out and that's it, he will going to retarget you, because you kind of are like a hot lead now, because you're kind of interested, right? If you watch the full video, you are interested in what he have to offer. So this is the trick, that he want to watch you the full video, so he can retarget you easily.
And then we know you're serious. You can book a call if you stay to the end. So make sure that you watch this, you book your call, and we'll see you on the other side. And hopefully we can help you build your successful Shopify store.
I mean, there are people on this planet that makes 1 billion times more money than he on Shopify, like Kylie Jenner. If she's starting selling courses, first of all, if I will leave a comment on her ad or on her course, she's not gonna be offended by me, by I'm nobody, I'm a nobody. She's not gonna be offended. Apparently, Adrian, with all his wealth and all his knowledge, he get offended by my comment. She will be way more qualified than everybody on that list that I showed you before, those teachers, to sell on Shopify. But why do you think she doesn't sell any course? Because he actually have a profitable Shopify store, and those guys don't. Those guys actually make money from selling those courses, from selling you knowledge, and they don't make any money from selling you from selling on Shopify. They don't have any business on Shopify. So this is that. This is the comment. This is the comment. Do people fall for this? That's it. It's the only thing that I comment. Do you think him, with technically his private jet, should care about my comment? I mean, he kind of implied he's rich, have a lot of money, he has making millions. Like I said, do Kylie Jenner think she will care if I will comment something like this on her page? No. Do you think Mark Zuckerberg will care? No. Do you think Jeff Bezos? Do you think any other millionaire will care what I comment? No. Not at all. But apparently he get very offended, and he replied to me, do people fall for your profile bio claiming to be a public figure, investor, e-com entrepreneur, and astronaut? Kind of in a funny way, right? Because yeah, this is my bio. Yeah, public figure, e-com entrepreneur, Amazon, FBA seller, investor, and is what I do. I'm selling on Amazon, and I'm investing in the stock market. It's what I do. If you go to watch back on my page, on my video, it's what I do. I have investment video and Amazon FBA video. I have only one picture, and the rest is like kind of fitness, because I like fitness. I like to do sport, gym, stuff like that. I posted on my page. So, and this public figure is because when I switch my private account to like a business account, you have to choose what business are you, right? So it was the only one kind of appropriate to say public figure. So I couldn't put retailer. I'm a retailer. I'm not a retailer. I'm a human being, right? It's a public figure, but doesn't mean I'm a public figure. Just they want to reflect what kind of business you are. That's it. And okay, and I replied to him, I actually make money from investing and e-commerce, but not from selling courses. Did I lie with something? No, it's what I make money from. And he replied again like the next day, because I'm in UK, it's kind of this 7-6 hours of time between us. And he said, awesome, your profile show did you total of 60K last year, then a bunch of muscle pics, so kind of hard to figure out what kind of public figure you are. Adrian, I didn't ask you to figure it out what public figure I am. I didn't ask you that. You just stumble across in my feed. I didn't come in your feed, right? So if you launch an ad on my feed and Instagram allows me to leave comment, I leave comments. So okay, yeah, fitness guru, e-com expert that does 60K a year, which is not bad. Not hating on that. Thank you, but you are calling me out. Of course I won't calling you out, because you promoting a scammy business. Yeah, this is the truth. And I have the credential, the endorsement by Shopify, and numbers to back it up. I really doubt about that you have the numbers to back it up. From the Shopify, yeah, there's others educator, you're not the only one. So that's, so just cut me what you have to back it up claim for being an e-com public figure. I never say that I have something to back it up. I never say. What I say? Amazon FBA seller. Did I say I'm the expert, the best e-com entrepreneur? I say I'm an expert, I have a credential. I never say that. It's what I am. That's it. I never say, oh, I'm the best. Also, he calisthenic athlete. Why you didn't say, Adrian? You forgot I'm about that. I'm a calisthenic athlete. And do you see? I'm not saying I'm expert in calisthenics. I'm the best in calisthenics. I have the credential. I don't say that. Calisthenic athlete. I'm doing calisthenics, and my profile show I'm doing calisthenics. So, what is wrong? Why did you get offended? I'm not gonna replay another comment because we'll go on forever and ever. You will see this video, Adrian. Shout out. Do you see? You have free advertising. This is his page. If you want to follow him, Adrian Morrison on YouTube, he kind of have some cool video. But the reality is, Shopify dropshipping, not Shopify, not Facebook ads, but this business model, Shopify dropshipping, it's a scammy business model that is created by those marketers. It's not the only one. You will see, I think you probably seen thousands of ads about on your feed telling you, teaching you how to do Shopify dropshipping. And there is plenty of guys doing that. So, and they all say, I'm the best, I have the credential, I have the sales backing up, I have this, I have that. All of them say, not only him, because this is obviously, I'm not gonna lie, Adrian is very good at psychology. They know the human psychology, how it's work. So he know to market online, but not to create Shopify business, real tangible business. They are good selling courses, and even his Instagram reflected. Where you are, Adrian? He have, first of all, he doesn't show any of his real store. If you have a store that makes 5 million, you will have no problem showing it. I don't see any of it. But he have the credential from ClickFunnels. So he's proof that he make a lot of money from selling courses. And this is the Tsucoma award, wherever. He's probably have a lot of money. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nobody between me in financial aspect. He have way more money, but not from dropshipping. He have money from selling courses. That's it. I can guarantee you this. It's 100%. He doesn't have any. He probably have. You can open Shopify stores, hundreds of accounts. You have 2 weeks free trial. You can open 10 accounts. You're not gonna cost you nothing, and start playing around to see how it's work. But from opening a real account, from opening an account on Shopify and actually make money with Shopify, there is a big in between, very big. So that being said, from that, this is his webinar, which I'm not gonna waste your time. You can watch the webinar if you want it. I will link it in the description, the webinar. So I'll give you back a favor, Adrian, to give you some clicks on your webinar if you want it. You can watch it. I watch it. It's it's a manipulative webinar in order to cut you to buy his course. And testimonials. If you click here, more testimonials, and I actually watched this video and look who is the first one to give a testimonials.
What's up, guys? I'd just like to shout out Adrian Morrison. If you're looking to ever get into e-commerce, he's definitely the go-to guy. I've gone from 0 to 6 figures in just 3 months' time, implementing some of the things that he teaches on how.
So 0 to 6 figures and there is
Adrian Morrison to 6 figures.
It's 50,000 pounds. And in 6 figures means at least 1 million, right? But he's you messed up during your video. I think, or this is someone else's store and it's not this guy's store. It's someone else, because he's clearly show 50,000 pounds or $50,000.
In just 3 months' time, implementing some of the things.
And here is 38,000. Okay.
That he teaches on how.
So if both those stores are his store, there's will be 80,000. Where is the 6 figure? 6 figure, what does it mean? You messed up the files here.
To how to target people, how to structure ads.
Okay, anyway, this guys, it's another guru on Amazon. This is Adrian. I show you who is it. Ah yeah, do you see? It's this guy here, Beast of Ecom, yeah. And
okay, so this video is going to be a 100% free Shopify dropshipping course.
do you see? I think probably these guys bought Adrian course or whatever, one of his course, because I know he promoted for a long time. He started a Shopify store, didn't make any money. Probably made sales or whatever, but he didn't make actual profit, tangible profit that you can go to spend it on those Ferraris or how they show you on private jets. And he realized the only way to make money on this space is actually teaching how to do Shopify dropshipping. And it's what he's doing, you see? He have a lot of video how to do Shopify dropshipping. So this shows that only way to make money on this space is by teaching people how to do Shopify dropshipping, not actually doing Shopify dropshipping. Okay, that being said, I don't know what else to do. Adrian, if you're upset on me, I'm sorry. I just leave you a comment. So if you're upset, you're upset. If you're not, still fine. Yeah, this is one of my videos from a long time. I didn't post for a month, but I find this kind of opportunity to do it. So whatever. Anyway, thank you for watching, and make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe, and all the good stuff like usual. So see you next time. Bye bye.